Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my dad.
Hey guys.
And welcome back to Ella and Daddy.
You are.
And I'm Ellapoochie in Roblox today. And we are playing Adopt Me Pirate version. And this is my pizza place. So I have this cooking little thing here. I have this here, this thingy. I don't know what that is. Let's make a pizza in my pizza place. So first you grab the dough. Next you grab the sauce. Next you grab the pepperonis. And now you got a pizza. Let's eat this thing.
We're in your house, right?
Yeah, we are. My dad... Yeah, this is my house, but this is my pizza place too. And you guys, I'll show you where, what is it called? My, little bed is. But it's in a weird spot. I think it's in a weird spot. This is where my bed is. It is in such a weird spot. Daddy, literally, come up the stairs. Look it. That is my bed.
Oh yeah, it's like in the corner.
Yes! That is such a weird spot.
Next to your closet?
No, this is my...
No, this is the bathroom.
That's weird. This is where they get the waiting stuff, I guess. Alright, let's get out of my house and let's start doing some actual stuff. Actually,
Hey, can I join your family?
I'm going to create a family. So, on the side of your screen, there should be a bunch of stuff or an arrow, which you should click the arrow, then there's something that's orange and it says family. You click that, then create a family, then you can just click E on people, and then basically you can just invite them to your family. I sent the invitation, and whoever is your family, it says family on top, and it's green. So, let's get out of here, and that is how you get, into, a family. And if you have played this and you're in Roblox, you can, do anything you want. In here, oh my gosh, this is an awesome treehouse. So, wait. I can show you my real, avatar. If you haven't seen my real avatar and this is your first time being with us, okay, that is my pizza place over there, and that is me right there. That's my real avatar. It's not like this avatar. My dad can change his character or do whatever he wants to. In this, it just says dress up. You can click something, then all of this comes up. You can click all stuff, but then you press back, then you press X, and then just walk. Oh my gosh, there's a pirate ship one. That's because it's, so what you do...
I just put a tank top on.
Ah, my dad just put a tank top on. Do you see this? Stevio. Oh, I could trade you, but I don't want to trade you any bucks. I'm free. Alright. Are you ready, t-shirt man?
Yeah.
Okay. T-shirt. Okay, this is Ellapoochie's house. Let's go to my dad's house. Daddy, reset your character, then I'll teleport to you. Wait, are you family with me still? Oh, yes, you're a family.
Yeah, in my house.
Yes. Alright, I'll go to you. Oh, hello. Okay, he has these blue swords. He does not have his own channel, but we have a family channel. We could make 2 different channels, but I don't want to. So, let's get out of his house.
Our channel is
So, our channel is El and Daddy, just like my dad just said, but I'm not sure if you heard him, but, so, yeah. Okay. No. 3? No, 3? Yeah. Okay, well, I can't read that stuff, and it says a phone. Oh, okay, I think it's the chat thing, though. Either way.
Are we gonna exit?
Yes, we'll exit. And if you just want to go around trying to get people into your family, some people. Wait, shall we go to this guy's party? Yeah, view it. Let's go. Accept it.
Okay.
Alright. We just accepted this guy's party, so now we have to go all the way back. Okay. So, we can just follow the arrows to this guy's party. So, Daddy, grade this guy's party, the best grade because I think it's gonna be a really good house. So, I can't get past here. What is it saying to do? Okay, alright, let's go past this. Yes. Okay, it's saying to do this. Oh, go into this house. Yes, it's a pirate ship house, I think. I think it's a pirate ship house. It is a pirate ship house. Oh, this is so cool, Daddy. Grade it. Grade it. A happy face. You first. Oh, this is awesome. Whoa. Okay. Some hot tubs. I have to sit on that. Daddy, come into the clear door room. Are you saying hi to that girl? Oh yeah, you say hi. Daddy, follow me. Follow me, Dad.
Alright.
I'm right here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Come on, follow me. Up into this room right over here. And you can press E. And then go into the other one. Go into the other one now. There's another one.
Oh. The best?
Oh yeah! Okay. So if you don't know who my dad is, he is Stevie O.
1982.
1982. That's not year he's born. And he doesn't look like this, but he has the same hair. If you want to see what he looks like, we could film another video that doesn't have like the stuff. Oh my gosh, everything's pink in this room. What? Wait, there's a pet in this room. Oh, let's explore the whole house before we leave. Wait, this is my dad's wallpaper. Oh, so cool. This is your wallpaper.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. Okay. He copied you with the wallpaper. Oh, strawberry. Strawberry. Okay. Let's leave this place. Wait, actually, no. There's one more thing to check out. Wait, this is... Okay, I don't know. Oh, wait, yeah, yes. Woohoo! Alright, let's jump up. Oh, wait. I need a shower. Okay, you can take a shower. Whatever. Okay, it says that. There's nothing in this room but just wallpaper.
Alright, you ready to go?
How about this room? Nothing. Yes, let's go out of this party. I hope you guys like this party. And if you did, make sure to give a big like if you like this party. Because we did a happy face for the party. So, yeah.
You going to hot air balloon?
Oh yeah. I'll buy it for $5. It's not Robux, guys. If you know what I'm talking about, it's like this box up here. I only have $96. How much do you have? Oh, he has 342. No, he's beating me in a race of stuff. Okay, come on. You can just teleport to me once I get on the hot air balloon. Actually, I'll pay for it, Daddy. I will pay for it because you don't have. Yeah, I don't want you to spend your money because you could afford the pizza place very soon. I want you to have the pizza place, so yeah.
Here it is.
Wait. Whoa. Okay. I'll buy it. I'll buy it. 1 minute. Hello, pirates. Yes. Yes. Buy. Okay, 60 seconds. Okay, it gives us a countdown. 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51. Okay. Daddy, just sit. I'm the driver. Just kidding. If there's a countdown right on top of the ship, so if we leave the ship, it doesn't show us. Hey. Don't steal my spot. Oh, yes. It's cash out time. Yeah. Okay. It's cash out time. We'll just wait for it to start. Guys, if you're bored while it's like waiting, then just don't look at this part. I'll tell you when it's 1. I'll say 4, 3, 2, 1 or something. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take off!
So where's the hot air balloon taking us?
It's taking us to the gift shop, I think, and it's a tower.
In the sky.
Yes, it's in the sky, guys. So make sure to go on the hot air balloon if you have enough money. So yeah, make sure to do that. Right? Make sure to do that, Daddy. Right?
Definitely.
Definitely. See, hear that word? It says definitely. Okay, get out! And oh, something very cool is that there's a trampoline.
Oh yeah.
We can jump off that. Oh, and there's a potion that was a big drinking head. Okay, my dad is going to put the drinking head on. So, well, the big head on. Oh, look at him. He's a man, so I don't want to turn him. Okay, let's go up the stairs and show them the trampoline, Daddy.
Oh.
Alright. So, we have, wait,
Do they know that I'm in the game on my phone?
yeah, Daddy is playing on his phone. My dad is playing on his phone.
So you can also play Roblox on an iPhone.
Yes. Yes. So, but if it doesn't work for you, make sure to check it out on a computer, an iPad, or other devices.
That's how I'm going.
Whoa! Whoa!
Can we jump all the way down?
Yeah, 3, 2, 1, jump! I'm just gonna jump. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Hopefully you fall somewhere. Whoa! You just jumped up again. Oh, hello, Daddy. Okay, wait. Let's go. Let's show them the slide. Yes. So it's 12 minutes and 56, 59 seconds. 13 now.
What's the point?
It's almost 15. Let me show you where the park is. We have to go fast, guys, because the video is almost gonna end. So,
Ready?
we're just gonna. I can see it too. So, you guys, I am gonna go down the slide, and then I will show you my dad going down the slide, and then we will end the video. Okay?
Okay, you go first.
I will go first. And if this is very fun to you, whoa! And you like watching this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.
Watch me. Ready? Here you go.